Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
So percentage means, for example, if someone is giving 99 and if you are giving 10%, 9.9, that is percentage bidding, reducing. But if you are selecting nominal amount, they can enter the prices as a 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 nominal value. Can participants submit tie bids? Obviously, tie bids are not possible because it is a competitive bidding. When someone is giving a price of, for example, 10, the other person cannot enter 10, he has to enter lower amount. Require participant to give a reason to declining bid. So currency rules same. Project owner enables starting gate. This is enable a starting gate for each lot. So we are going to keep only one. This is what I need to see how they restricted 10 minutes. So this is team members. So where I am adding by 7. To start gate bidders. So variegator bidders is suppose some of your supplier says that, say, during your bidding time I may not be available. Can you please enter my price as this? So they will provide you an email with the details of their pricing. If you want to add that pricing as you were doing, you want to capture that price information as part of your bidding process, you can use surrogate bidder option. And whoever having the surrogate bidder member, only they can act as their supplier and they can enter it. So I will be selecting buyer 7 also surrogate bidder. So we will be seeing the option as surrogate bidder when we are entering the prices. Click on next. We are well versed with supplies. How you want to add the supplies? We can add it. Invite participant. The easiest method is going to the past events, which was created yesterday. Click on search. Selecting all the supplies. Click on next. Now here I am adding line items. I don't want these items to be visible in the part of option. Click on delete. Add line item. Not able to get it. Okay, so now here also, you can decide whether the supplier give pricing per unit for all units. Suppose you are asking for a 10 laptop which consists of 100,000, whether they want to give as basis of 100,000 or they want to give 10,000 unit bags. So the difference will be when they have been done. All units, that is, divided by number of quantity, or they can be done one. Whichever is preferable, you can do that. In our case, we want 10 laptops, and here I need to remember, historic price will be 10,000 and ceiling price will be lower than this 5,000. Below 5,000, I will not accept any bid to be coming. It starts from 10,000, it will go on till 5,000, then the event will closes. If you are keeping 6,000, event will close at 6,000. So bid increment, bid decrement. So when I am giving 10,000, I want bid decrement has to happen with $100. Protect the lead with the buffer of. What is the advantage of this is generally during auction event. So suppose by mistakenly someone enters a wrong value, maybe 100, you will enter and the system will accept it. You will not able to change that. That is the reason, protect the lead with the front buffer of suppose, when someone is entering as a 9,000, the second person cannot enter less than 9,000. That amount is going to stay here. He can only enter the next price from 8,000 to 10,000. So beyond that he will not able to enter. So traffic light bidding icon for this line item. I will just see whether we can able to see the traffic line item. So the green traffic line and the best bid only. Yes, someone is giving you best price. You will be seen as a 3. So the green light item in the bid where this employer show the green light item in the bid as this employer show the yellow light. I am selecting 50. So then click on Done. Now, before I publish, I want to view as one of the supplier. There is an approval task also there. So going to the team content action view as one of the participant. So this is Ariba seller. So when Ariba seller logging into Ariba, he will be going to see. He is not going to see the OK. He will be seeing value 5,000, bidding demand 10,000 and he is not seeing. So, for example, he enters 9,000 update total. He can able to participate. Seems fine. Let's see this before I start this event. Click on Next. It is logged in as a supplier also. Proposals and questionnaires. I am keeping my supplier account ready. Let's go here. So if I publish it, let's see you publish approval task. Okay, so there is no approval is left-hander. Then it will automatically approve and we can enter the act. So what time the event is going to start? So I want to reduce this before I do that, because I may not see the reducing the time when the live auction events are done. Going to the rules, I will be starting here. Okay, 820 may be better. So 8:25, the event will start, so it will allow the suppliers to see in another 2 minutes. Let's go to the supplier side and see what he is going to see. Let's see when to copy. Let's see the auction. Yes, you can see this preview period. Action. Review period. Keeping one supplier with this information. The terms become okay. He can select for which lap items you want to accept the participation. Now another 1 second. Now we can go to the lap bidding. He can enter the price. I think I have a long link in the ceiling. It should say 9500. Submit the envelope. Say 9500. I will kindly mention this ceiling value. 4500, and he has submitted his bid. I will select top bid. 4500. Let's go to one of the other sub-players. You can see one person has submitted. Now I want to act as one of the sub-players. Let's select this person and click on surrogate bid. So in buying screen I'm adding to sub-players. One mistake I did. I should have kept this alien price as the highest amount which they can bid. Now one supplier has entered the price as 4500. Now this person or the seller, how he will be seeing that lot?